I wish we would have got this dethatcher right away when we moved in. Our yard needed some work. We have so many different dead zones and dead spots. So we realized this year that we needed to dethatch it, and this thing has been amazing. It holds, I think, like 13.2 gallons in the collection bag. So we have a decent sized yard, so we needed to empty it quite a few times. You also can do it without the bag on and then just rake it up. But here is all the dead grass after just going over literally that one spot. So this thing was amazing. You also have another piece that you can put in, like I think it's called the sacrificer. So depending what you're needing for your yard, there's two different options. It works so smooth. You can see on the left here, that's the grass we haven't dethatched yet, and then on the right it was. So it looks worse before it gets better. Obviously, like it needs time and fertilizer and seed and stuff to look good, but here it's getting up all the dead, nasty grass. One thing we learned is with the cord is to start with a shorter amount and then give yourself more as you go, but the thing is awesome.